Toenail fungus is a common fungal infection of your toenail. The most noticeable symptoms is a white, brown or yellow discoloration of one or more your toenails. It may spread and cause the nails to thicken or crack. Weak immune system, high acid levels in the skin, feet that are always in wet areas like sweaty socks, diabetes and bad washing habits can help to grow the fungus. If not treated, it can cause splitting, cracking and even total loss of the toenail. But luckily there are different home remedies for toenail fungus you can try. Here are 5 home remedies to get rid of toenail fungus. Number 1. Baking soda. Baking soda can treat toenail fungus. It is full of antiseptic, antifungal and alkaline properties, and these serve to treat a variety of infections. There are also many well-known topical applications for baking soda, which is useful as a natural exfoliant and treatment for allergies. Add a half cup of baking soda with 1/4 cup of white vinegar and 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide with half cup of Epsom salt. Mix these ingredients very well with some water. Soak the toenail in this mixture for about 10 minutes, then wash your foot with clean water and dry it. Do this twice a day for a few weeks. It can fight with infections of the skin and contains active compounds that reduce the presence of fungi both on the surface and underneath the nail. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic has antibacterial, antivirus, antifungal and antioxidant properties. It is another home remedy for toenail fungus. Fry 3 to 4 crushed garlic cloves in 3 tablespoons of olive oil and then mix the oil with an even amount of white vinegar. Put the mixture on your toenail and cover it with a bandage. Leave it on for a few hours and then open it. Do this regularly until it heals. Garlic has allicin which can kill fungi and treat toenail fungus. Number 3. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil helps to treat toenail fungus because it fights germs and fungi. It is also used to treat other kinds of skin problems. Mix 1 teaspoon of olive oil or coconut oil with a few drops of tea tree oil and then put the mixture on your toe. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then use a cotton to lightly scrub the nail. Do this 2 or 3 times a day until the nail is healed. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a great way to cure toenail fungus because it fights the infection and helps fix the skin's acid level. It can help block toenail fungus from spreading and also it kills bacteria and fungi. Mix 1 cup of apple cider vinegar with 2 cups of warm water and soak your toenail in the mixture for 30 to 40 minutes. Then rinse your foot off and dry it very well. Do this every day for a few weeks until the fungus is gone. Number 5. Oregano oil. Oregano oil is a great thing to use to treat toenail fungus. It kills germs, bacteria, fungi and eases pain. Mix 1 teaspoon of olive oil with a few drops of oregano oil. Put this mixture on your toe and leave it on for at least 30 minutes. Then wash it off and dry your toenail very well. Do this 1 to 2 times a day for 3 to 4 weeks until the nail is healed. Try the remedies for at least 1 month for them to work.